All right, farmers. Hello, how are you doing out there? I came to check the farm and I reached where I planted yam some times ago. Remember I told you the difference between yam and the one of water yam. So, and I did a video about yam some times ago. So, I come to check the farm to see if the yams are growing or not. But due to water, absence of water, we don't have enough water in this year. So the yams are not doing very well. They are not doing very okay. They're just growing, as you can see. They're just shooting out. So it's really a tough time for all these yams this year because there's not enough rain. So this is actually a water yam. So I'm going into the one of the real yam, the one I planted, the one I show you videos and taught you how to plant yam. See, the farms are clean. Everywhere is cleared. So you can see this is the one of the good yam. This one is different from that one of water yam. Oh, really? Well, without rain, the yams are still doing okay. You see the water yam, you see the leaf. This is how water yam grows. So this is how the real yam grows. So they are two different types of yam. So we have them plenty. There are many here. Wow. The yams are just shooting out. Very soon they will be going on top of the trees. But there are some that are even holding the trees already. Oh, look at it. It's very, very late. All the yams should have shoot out by now, but there's not enough rain. There's no rain, there's not enough water for the yams to do well. So, and we planted them early December. Look at this. We normally harvest yam during July ending to August, starting of August, down to the one of September. But with what this rain has caused this year, it will take longer than expected. The rain has delayed almost everything. Look how since December the yam is just coming out one by one. Wow, even some may be dead. If I should check the ridges, some of this yam would have been dead by now. See, some are just coming out. Look at it here. Some are just coming out. Look at it. Oh, wow. So the farm is very big though. It's very massive.